The leather is very, very fragile and delaminating from the carcass of the wooden structure. The leather is separating in sheets and requires consolidation of each of the layers to rebond the leather to the structure. The leather is also exhibiting what is commonly called red rot, a powdering and a deterioration of the leather hide itself. Adhesives are being used underneath the layers of leather to re-adhere